Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Zano list video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can swap your USDT or your USDC to fUSD, and exactly why you should be even swapping your stablecoins to the world's first private stablecoin. So people don't realize this, but USDT and USDC can be frozen at any time. There is no different from a traditional bank. A centralized authority with one click from a company and your funds are frozen forever. I'm just flicking through multiple examples of this. And currently there's been over 2.5 billion USDT that has been frozen. fUSD, on the other hand, is a decentralized private stablecoin governed by open source code built on top of the Zano blockchain. It's completely unfreezable, private, and fully collateralized by Zano. And best of all, it's completely permissionless, so no KYC, no forms, or no middlemen. So let's go ahead and walk through how to swap your freezable USDT or USDC into Freedom Dollar, the private, unfreezable stablecoin. So you can go ahead and visit freedomdollar.com and click Buy fUSD right here. And then as you can see supported exchanges, supported swapping services, and supported wallets. So if you don't have a Zano supported wallet already, you're going to need to go ahead and download one of these. So this is Zano's official wallet, and this is Bitcoin.com, Cake Wallet, and Edge Wallet. All of these support Freedom Dollar and, of course, Zano. So next we can go to supported swapping services. And I'm going to go ahead and select Solix. Then once this is loaded, I can swap USDT. I just need to go in the search menu and type USDT here on the Ethereum network. And then I need to change this to fUSD, Freedom Dollar. And now the minimum of the transaction here is 50, or the max thrown is 30,000. So I can exchange 30,178 freezable USDT into unfreezable 30,000 fUSD. And then what I need to do is simply go to my wallet, copy my receiving address, right? And then it will receive into my Freedom Dollar. And then I'm going to paste that in right here. And then what I need to do is click Exchange Now. And then I can go ahead and send exactly this amount in USDT to this address. And then I will receive 30,000 fUSD to my address. So if you are using an exchange, Freedom Dollar is listed on multiple exchanges already, as you can see here. I'm going to go ahead and use Lexi. So they have a pair right here, fUSD to USDT. And I think go ahead and swap them and exchange right here. And that's it. That's how simple it is to swap your centralized stablecoins for a private, unfreezable, and uncensorship-resistant alternative. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Zano List for more future tutorials. Thank you.